All right, this question will begin like a chapter 3 question, a grams to moles to moles to grams, but we will take it into a gas law question sort of in the middle of the process. So we're starting out here with 4.50 grams of carbon, and we're asked what is the amount of O2 that's needed to react with all of that carbon. And so we're going to do grams to moles of carbon to moles of O2, but then we're going to take that moles of O2 and feed that into the gas law. Okay, this is just from the periodic table. This is a molar mass of carbon. And now we importantly need this ratio, that 2 moles of carbon to 1 mole of O2 gas. So we need to get to that gas to use the gas law. 0.187 moles of O2 gas. Okay, from this point, everything's just going to look like using the gas law normally. So P, V, N, R, and T. We just figured out the value for N, 187 moles. R is a constant. The temperature here, 48 degrees C. Need Kelvin once again. 48 plus 273, 321 Kelvin. We're figuring out what volume of gas is made, so that's an unknown. And the pressure, we need it to be in atmospheres because our gas constant is in atmosphere. So I take the 810 and divide by 760 to turn this into 1.07 atmospheres. All right, now we can calculate volume. V equals nRT divided by P. V equals 0.187 moles, 0.08206 liter atmosphere Kelvin, 321 Kelvin. And finally my pressure, 1.07 atmospheres. Okay, and I get 4.60 liters. And in particular, I wanted to mention to you guys in this problem, because as I practiced this before I did the video, depending on how you hold digits over, this can range basically from 4.60 to 4.63. So you get kind of a range of values in there, depending on things like, for example, with the molar mass, if rather than truncating it at 3 decimal places, if you put in the whole value that you get for the calculator here, and if you put in the 3.21.15 from converting it to Kelvin, and you also here for the atmospheres, if you do the 810 divided by 760, you get a slightly different number. So you can get kind of a range of values, small range of values there.